The Pentagon said that it shot down an unidentified object over frozen waters around Alaska on Friday at the order of President Joe Biden. This comes less than a week after a US fighter jet brought down a Chinese spy balloon over the Atlantic, which had increased tensions between Washington and Beijing. The origin of the object shot down is yet to be determined, spokesman John Kirby said, adding that the object was the size of a small car and posed a reasonable threat to civilian aviation. Mr. Kirby, while speaking at the White House, added that the debris field of the object shot down on Friday was much smaller than the balloon shot down last Saturday off the coast of South Carolina. He said that the object was flying at 40,000 feet over the northern coast of Alaska. It had already flown across Alaska at a speed of 20 to 40 meters per hour and was out over the sea traveling towards the North Pole when it was shot down. Commercial airlines can fly as high as 45,000 feet. It came in inside the territorial waters. Those waters right now are frozen, but inside territorial airspace and over territorial waters. Fighter aircraft assigned to US Northern Command took down the object within the last hour, Kirby said. The object was first spotted on Thursday night, though officials did not specify a time. 2 fighter jets had approached the object and assessed. There was nobody on board, and this information was available to Mr. Biden when he made his decision. The Friday shootdown showed Mr. Biden taking direct and forceful action far more quickly than he did last week, when some Republican lawmakers criticized him for letting the spy balloon linger over the United States for several days before destroying it. But that period of observation last week allowed American officials to collect intelligence about the spy balloon, while in the episode on Friday, officials seemed unsure about what exactly they shot down. Pentagon Press Secretary Brigadier General Pat Ryder said that the object was not similar in shape or size to last week's Chinese balloon. He confirmed that an F-22 jet had shot down the object with a Sidewinder missile at 13:45 EST on Friday. General Ryder added that a significant amount of debris had been recovered so far. It was being loaded onto vessels and taken to labs for subsequent analysis, he said. Since the news broke down last week about the Chinese balloon that was floating over US airspace, new details have emerged about what's now understood to be a global surveillance operation by China's military, the People's Liberation Army. On Thursday, the officials revealed that they believe that the spy balloon the US had discovered are part of a large fleet that is conducting surveillance operations globally. The US has traced the balloon to 40 countries across 5 continents.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.